you. Cool. Thanks, John. Hi, everyone. We're Spellbound. And in just 4 months, we racked up over 7,500 users. And these users are spending an average of 30 minutes per session. So you're probably wondering, what's Spellbound? Well, our main insight is that people don't want to read what AI writes. If you look at a market research survey, 69% of US adults are not interested in reading AI books. And let's be real, if I were to hand you an AI book right now, would you read it? Probably not. You'd probably flip through a few pages, but you wouldn't engage with it the same way that you would engage with a book that's actually written by a human. And there's a reason behind this. Currently, AI is being optimized for enterprise use cases. And as a result, it's lagging at creative tasks. That's why here at Spellbound, we're building AI that is best in class at creating engaging content. And so if you go onto our platform, a reader will search for a story. Maybe they're interested in adventure stories with Geralt. Once they're in the story, they're able to instruct our AI on what they want to do. So they can type something like, I get on my horse and I greet Geralt. In response, our AI generates engaging content that folds in this user input. And at any point, the reader can provide feedback to our AI. So if they like the story, they'll continue generating. If they didn't like it, they'll regenerate. And this user feedback translates into generated data on our end that we can then use to train our models. When our models get better, the stories get better. And that means more user feedback, more generated data. And that allows us to have models that get better and better over time. And our models are getting really good. They're actually currently already outperforming foundation models that are orders of magnitude larger. And so what this means is if you put the Spellbound custom models head to head with other large foundation models, our users are very clearly indicating that they have a preference for Spellbound. We're starting with readers as a market. Currently in the US, there are 213 million adults reading. And we're specifically starting with fan fiction. If you look at an average top 5 fan fiction website, there are 1.5 million users. And so if you calculate our market based off of an average revenue of $5 per user that we're already seeing during our beta, that's already a $7.5 million market. And that's just the beginning. We're starting with fan fiction specifically because this user base is highly active online, and they're also very much a growing demographic. But eventually we'll go into readers and ultimately media and entertainment. We're positioned to provide the underlying stories that power other types of AI, like audio, like video. And the way that we're going to be doing this is by providing access to creative specific models. So currently, our users are already paying us $10 to $30 a month to get access to these very models. We'll also be engaging with media brands. IP holders will pay a flat fee to promote to readers through our models. And finally, media and entertainment companies. They'll pay us for access to our models that are tuned to specific tasks, like video game dialogue. Think of Spellbound as the engine behind the content of your favorite movies, your favorite TV shows. Spellbound is specifically consumption focused. And so we empower our users to take the reins on their personalized storytelling experiences. And this means more personalized, more engaging content. And when the users, what's really amazing is when the users are consuming this content, they're also simultaneously creating. And that incentivizes them to share out these stories with other users, with other friends, with their community. And so as a result, all of these unique user benefits seamlessly tie together into our platform, into Spellbound. And that's what allows Spellbound to stand out amongst the rest. We're already seeing strong traction. 7,500 signups since launch 4 months ago, an average session length of 30 minutes, and we have over 1,000 members on Discord. We also have over 500,000 human annotations. And this is really interesting because normally we would be paying another service to generate annotations for us. But what's actually happening and what's amazing is our users are actually paying us to generate these annotations. And so it's a win-win. On the one end, we get annotations that help us fine-tune our models and make them better and better over time. And on the other end, our users get really engaging content. One of our users said, "I've never seen AI so good. It felt like I watched a 3-hour movie." Our team is incredibly strong with individual skill sets across engineering, design, and growth. And these skill sets allow us to create a synergy that really enable us to be a powerful team. We're currently raising a pre-seed to build our growth engine, and we're looking for introductions to entertainment brands for partnerships. I want you to imagine a world where interacting with AI doesn't feel like a chore. I want you to imagine a world where engaging with content feels immersive, it feels delightful, it feels magical even. That's the world that we're building here at Spellbound, and I want you to join us. Thank you.
Great pitch, and great team as well. I mean, Kathy didn't mention, but she's expert in design, has won like some of the top design awards in the past. Solali as well. This was a good example of where we had people from different cohorts actually coming together to build something really really great, amazing.